Amit Shah landing today, it was of course the visit in his official capacity as Home Minister to inaugurate projects, but oh, it was heck of a scene, PKD Nambiar. Now, there are crowds there, so this is not just a government functionary coming and simply inaugurating a few projects and leaving. This is a political statement that's being made. Now, for people who are watching this in Tamil Nadu, should we be genuinely surprised that crowds have come on to greet Amit Shah?
I think that is the political point which is conveyed through this visit of Mr. Amit Shah today in Chennai. Generally, you won't find both in the BJP or in the Congress that kind of a cheer for the national leaders of any of these national parties in Tamil Nadu. They have never been given that kind of this kind of a welcome. I believe there is already a huge amount of trend towards BJP is happening from the last few years. This visit of Mr. Amit Shah is going to amplify the spirit of the BJP cadre and the public perception towards the BJP further. I think this is going to be a very, very significant visit. And Amit Shah, everybody knows that he is, of course, known as the Chanakya of election in this country. And in his credit, he has got the huge amount of the track record of Amit Shah maybe surpasses all the political the history of India. Nobody else would have even come close to him. And most importantly, the Tamil Nadu politics has now started showing slightly, I would not say slightly, it's on a great extent towards the BJP. People are ready to now accept BJP as a force. People are ready to look at.
Yeah, do we credit because I was told by BJP leaders yesterday that they've been working on their organizational setup in Tamil Nadu for the past 3 years and it's better than ever before? Or is Mr. Palaniswamy being gracious enough to get his party machinery to knock up a few thousand people as crowds for Amit Shah?
No, that is not. I must tell you that in almost all the South Indian states, BJP as a cadre is very, very strong.
Mr. Nambiar, can the BJP do anything in Tamil Nadu without a big face in Tamil Nadu? Is it possible?
In many places, and Tamil, it may not be that easy for BJP to do extremely well and come into power without having a strong face, because most of the Tamil Nadu politics, if you really look at from the last 60 years, it has always been very, very strong faces, whether it is an MGR or a Karunanidhi or a Jayalalitha. They're all very, very large figures and they had a very, very huge impact on the society and the charismatic leaders. But BJP, as of now, do not have such kind of a face. But one very great thing which is happening towards the BJP is they have been able to attract a few great talents in the last few years, and especially from the last few months. If you're really looking at a large number of people are now running towards BJP rather than just getting attracted, whether it is a Khushbu or an Annamalai or many other former MPs and etc. have been really now joined BJP. That is going to be strengthening. As I said initially, that the BJP is a party which has got a huge cadre in the entire Tamil Nadu and especially on the southern part of Tamil Nadu.
Okay, so there's a card. Okay, quick last question. MK Stalin's election to lose. He should be sweeping this, right? What should he be worried about? What should he be focusing on that can still be a surprise for him, troubling for him?
So this election, this is going to be a tough election for MK Stalin too. It is not going to be an easy walk, as you were just saying. Why it will not be? The reason being, so far the election, this is going to be the first time without his father, or even the entire Tamil Nadu is going to for a poll without Karunanidhi after almost 4.5 decades. So I think MK Stalin will also have an equal challenge. Of course, DMK will have a little edge over the other parties because there is an anti-incumbency. There is a little bit of infighting in the AIADMK, but the BJP will play a major role in the upcoming election in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
And
it's going to play a role. How big it is, of course, will be very, very exciting to find out over the next 4 or 5 months. What has happened today is very, very interesting. Yeah, finish your thought. Okay, finish your thought.
Compliment you for a word. Rishabh?
Yeah, finish your thoughts, sir. Go ahead.
Rishabh, I wanted to compliment you that the way as a national broadcast you are looking after or taking care about or discussing about the southern politics is really commendable. I have not seen any other channel where we have...
No, others will also. Others, somebody has to just start, and others will also, because
compliment you.
there are people out there, and I just want to use this election as that opportunity. In the end, it doesn't make a difference who wins or loses, right? India moves on.
You are doing a great service to the
So
nation.
I think let's take this opportunity this time around